Hey guys, Chris here. Last time we were talking about logosphere library generators, and today I would like to show you demo UI which I prepared to utilize backend created this way by executing number of queries wrapped together in some minimal business logic. So here is how does it look. I have my UI application with number of components. Album is my root component. It can contain number of arts, and each art can contain number of tags, plus few components to just create the album art or list them together. Data service, which you can currently see, is the place where you can find the queries, which can be also used directly in exposed GraphQL client. We decide to have backend in almost unchangeable way. So that's why some operation like, for example, art creation require number of queries to be sent to keep the data consistent. So for this particular one, we have to first save the art. Next, we have to add tags to the art. And then finally, we have to add art collection, add art to the collection. In production environment, I will rather use a single query to handle this whole flow. But as pointed, we decide to go that way to have backend in almost a default way, default form without any bigger changes. Let me show you how does it work on the browser. So here I have my logosphere. I'll create some album for that, but let's create another one. This is my second album. I'm using Pixum images to generate those graphics, so don't be surprised if after page refresh you will see the different images here. Let's now add some arts to one of my album. Each art can contain number of dynamic fields. So let's set up some field for this particular one. And here we can and we need to, because it's mandatory, we need to adjust some tags to our art. After save it, we have art and our tags. Let's create another one. This time with a little bit different tags. So now clicking on the tag, you will see each image, each art, which contain the same tags. This time for super, we have only this one. And now having the tags, having the arts, we can mint NFT based off the image. Again, these images are just are the mocks. So to mint the image, I prepared some image in my IPFS Pinata. By the way, Logosphere already contain IPFS module, which has Pinata service, and using upload file function, you can handle it in programmatic way, but to not increase the complicity of the application, I just made it manually. So here is my IPFS link. and let's mint NFT base of that. NFT field is empty here, which means there is not yet transaction for this image, and it can be minted. Okay, it looks to be success. As you can see, the art which I minted now contained NFT batch. As you can see, there's the transaction here and cannot be minted again. So if everything went good, I should be able to see the token in my wallet. So as you can see, it's here. So all operation success. And that's all what I prepared for today. You can find the repository with application in our Guide GitHub repo. And that's all. Thanks.